up? Day 2. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be working on mounting these beautiful shock mounts and shocks that came, I believe, from Texas. These look a lot like the ones that I used to have. So we're going to put some new mounts up here and on this crossbar, and then we'll just tack it up so then we can see if we've got enough travel both ways. I'm sure there's a measurement that we could do, but I'm not that advanced. So start out with that and go from there. Josh grabs the old ratchet wrench.
You gotta let the young guys have the good stuff.
Look at that speedball!
I cried, they don't get the good stuff.
I'm fast as boy.
We set the angle. Gonna weld up the these pieces right here.
Perch.
So we set the. They're called perches.
Spring perch.
Per Caleb. Is that like the fish?
The perch.
Just like it.
You
A
can't-
perch
yeah.
fish?
Don't be
Harder
coy.
to eat it though.
Oh, okay.
You know what kind of fish that is? Don't be coy.
Koi fish? Yeah.
Dad jokes for days.
Gosh, you're strong.
Alright, on this video we got Josh cleaning up and prepping the surface on the top for the top shock bracket. Frank is locating his indicating marks for the lower shock brackets. It's kind of a neat technique that he was using to find a straight line on a cylindrical object like the axle tubes. If you look on the left and right side of the differential cover, you can see these little circular spots. These are those plug welds that we were talking about, that don't hold very well over power. So that's why we're welding the differential tubes, the axle tubes, to the differential housing, kind of strengthen that area up. So just kind of showing you, explaining a little bit what we're doing in this section, but we'll continue on.
Pretty warm.
Didn't see you there.
It's untrue what they say.
That I do work?
No, that you're still a piece of garbage. What are you doing there for the people that don't know?
Can we get that on camera?
Yeah. So this tube right here will twist under power. It's got welds in the holes there, but I guess there is a problem with this system that doesn't hold after some time. So we're gonna weld up that tube right there.
Yeah, I'm not gonna weld it all the way around. We're just I have a spot to kind of do a inch and a half weld over here and about 3 spots. And we'll see how that handles. We're not doing crazy, but with the amount of torque that the 460 is going to have, we kind of want to have some reassurance. So,
Cool beans.
what you doing there, Frank?
Oh, you know, just pressing in some U-joints.
Any tips or tricks? Oh, it's already done.
I always try to make sure it moves a little bit so you don't bind it up as you're going in there together.
Don't listen to
And
them.
then we'll do a socket. And then we'll do a socket, which there's one right there. Do you have a shorter one? I'm not sure if it's gonna go out that far, buddy.
So particular.
If he didn't want me to be particular about it, he would have just done it himself. Thank you. So anyways, you got her compressed down in there, but you know you're gonna get the opposite side of things, so it's gonna be like, ah! No, you gotta be in there. What are you working on?
What am I working on? I'm
what
putting
are you putting on there?
anti-seize on some
what's that
spark
do?
plugs.
What's that do?
I don't know. No.
I was just told to do.
The engine likes this flavor of anti-seize. If you don't put this on there, it doesn't work right.
So
It's a seasoning for the bolt for the spark plug.
Let's keep the spark plug from seizing in the head.
Oh well.
Or
Is that
help
what
it
Ford
not.
doesn't do that? Ford
Yeah,
does these on.
Probably not.
What engine?
Oh, the 5.
Is it
5
Triton?
4s? And then that
That's
bad.
not the only reason, but yeah.
We were just fed, so now we have the energy. So we are wrapping up the night. At least I think so. Shh, don't tell the boss. Anyways, I'm putting the insulation, sound deadening components back onto the back of the fuel tank so then we can stick that in. We're just trying to, I'm just trying to the camera there. I just saw some total squirrel moment. Anyways, there's a, holy where am I at right now? And we're back at it. So we're gonna stick this in. We're kind of getting to that point in this project that we're like running out of stuff, so we're trying to get as many components done as possible, and then so we can figure out what the parts list is gonna be for either tomorrow getting it, or B, what we're gonna get for their next trip back. So we're gonna put the tank in and then go from there.
Oh, hello.
What are you doing in here?
Welcome back. I am putting some rust inhibitor, I can't even say that word. I messed it up last time too. Rust encapsulator in here just to kind of cover up the nasty floor. We had a kind of a rough seam right here. So before we put the fuel tank in, we're just trying to get this. We'll set the fuel tank and then I'll continue to the front and just do the whole floor. It'll get covered up with carpet, but we just want something kind of stop the rust as the cheap and easy way.
Sweet. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
This clock is bullshit. It never changes. 550, baby. Or is that 450? 448. Every time. Look at Caleb, Mr. Spray Can.
I have time to look at the rust. What's up, Mark?
Look at this beautiful thing. Don't get paint on my seatbelt. Wraps are up for the day though.
Take her to the house.
Any words of wisdom?
Calling the dogs and pee on fire.
Too late.
I guess that's it.
Too late for this.
Goodbye.